Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely. Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that you never.
Welcome back, everybody. How you doing today? I'm doing amazing. I'm doing a challenge created by another YouTube creator named Perfect Storm. 2 M's. It's the Perfect Storm Pride Month challenge, and what she wants you to do is create a dish using the colors of the Pride flag, right? So I'm going to show you what we got to incorporate those colors with, alright? Alright, so for red, we got red bell peppers. For orange, we got some baby carrots. For yellow, we got some golden sweet corn. It's yellow though, trust me. For green, I went out to the garden and got some parsley, fresh parsley from the garden, awesome. For blue, I got some blue corn tortilla chips, and for purple, we got an eggplant. So let's see what we come up with, folks, alright? Alright, look at that pretty little rainbow. Let's get to it. So we got everything prepped. I halved my red peppers and scooped them out into little bowls because we're going to stuff them. Cut up an onion, the eggplant, sliced up some parsley. I'm going to be using chicken, so we cut some of that up. And here's our carrots and our corn. And this is all going to go into the meal. And I don't even know what I'm making, but hopefully it turns out yummy. Okay? Alright. Alright guys, there you go. Challenge complete. Thank you Perfect Storm for involving me in this. I had lots of fun. Can't wait to see what you guys come up with. But yeah, this is my hashtag Perfect Storm Pride Challenge creation. I don't even know what to call it. Looks yummy, hope it tastes yummy. Yeah, I'll leave the link for the challenge video down in the description. Hopefully you guys still have time to join. If not, make sure you check everybody out and vote. And until next time, always remember, be happy, be healthy, and enjoy sharing your pride, folks. See you later. Bye.
Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely. Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that you never